friends, today we're starting an exciting build, one that actually moves like a real truck. Yes, we're creating a fully functional Lego dumper truck, and this isn't just any model. This one will drive, carry load, and dump just like the real thing. Right now I'm beginning with the chassis, which is the foundation of the entire truck. This part has to be incredibly strong because it supports the engine section, the wheels, the dumper bed, and all the moving mechanisms. Every brick I place here decides how powerful and stable our final truck will be. So stay with me, because from here on, this build is going to get more exciting, more detailed, and more realistic than ever. If you've built this, then do tell me in the comments. And yes, this is truly clean, premium work. This isn't written by a writer, it's pure passion. This is honestly the best Lego truck ever, and even though I built it for just $50, I'm confident that if I took it to a Lego store, they'd easily value it at $500 because of the detailing and the realistic engineering. I designed the engine to look like a real compact power unit with light elements that glow as if the truck is firing up for a heavy-duty job. And here's the real story behind it. When I first planned this build, I didn't even have enough money to buy all the parts. I actually had to take a small loan, thinking, if this works, it'll be worth it. And today, looking at this masterpiece, every brick, every hour, every struggle feels worth it.